Hello there and welcome to this short video about one of our services we offer, and that is virus removal as well as suggestions on a decent antivirus product. We authorize dealers and partners for a very good product called ESET Internet Security. Now, it's all very well to buy it from the website and install it. Generally, people end up with problems with any antivirus they buy. First of all, a lot of antivirus products are really slow. They slow down your computer terribly. One of the worst culprits as well is something like Norton Antivirus or Trend. McAfee is terrible, absolutely terrible. That's why they give it away free with computers. Use something like ESET Antivirus. It's really good. We can supply it, we can sell it, we can install it properly. We can advise you on all sorts of things. If your computer's been infected, perhaps you've been hacked, we can do a bit of a bill of clean health. We can help you remove viruses or malware. But the bottom line is, whether you have a home or a business and you need decent IT support to help you navigate through the whole perils of cybersecurity and things, let us help you. We are IT Near You, the computer support and services company near you in the greater Wellington region. And if you have a virus or you need help with antivirus, give us a call on 0800 42 0042.